Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow camera access on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To get the most out of Snapchat, you need to give the app permission to use your phone's camera. Whether you have an iPhone or Android device, the process is simple and you can generally do this the first time you use the app. But if you need to allow camera access in Snapchat afterward, you can do it with a quick trip to the setting apps. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, you can see in here, if you haven't allowed the camera access, the Snapchat will give you like pop-up notification to allow the camera. But if you can't find that in here, so you can go to settings on your phone. You can scroll down, you can go to apps, select on apps, select on manage apps, and you can search Snapchat like this. Choose on the Snapchat apps. There is an option apps permission. You can select on that. So if your Snapchat camera is not allowed, you can select on the camera. You can choose on allow only when while using the app. So the camera only uh, can access when you while you using the app, or you can access every time. But for the example, I will just choose allow only while using apps. After that, you can go back. You can also allow the notification phone, nearby devices if you want to. After that, you can reopen your Snapchat and now you can use your Snapchat camera on your app. It's very simple, right? So that is how to allow camera access on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.